Today I'm going to show you how to stop sharing your public data and interactions with XAI on X, formerly known as Twitter. This is a quick privacy setting that many people miss, but it can make a big difference if you want more control over how your data is used. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tutorials just like this. Let's get right into it. First, open X in your browser or app and look at the left navigation bar. If you don't see all the options right away, click on More. This will expand the full menu and show you additional settings. From there, click Settings and Privacy. This is where X keeps all of your account controls, including privacy, safety, and personalization options. Once you're inside Settings and Privacy, click Privacy and Safety. This section contains the options that control what other people and third parties can access from your account. Now scroll or look for the option called Grok and Third-Party Collaborators. Click that setting to open the related controls. Here you'll see the option labeled Allow Your Public Data. This is the setting that can allow XAI to use your public data and interactions. To stop sharing that information, simply toggle off the first option. Once it's off, your public data and interactions will no longer be shared through that setting. That's all you need to do. No extra steps, no complicated setup, just a few clicks to tighten up your privacy. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more quick X and tech tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.